Let's get you the latest, and we'll get the visuals as well coming in. Just about 20 minutes ago, the cavalcade of the Deputy Chief Minister, who was the Deputy Chief Minister of Devendra Fadnavis, let's get you those visuals there on your television screen, making its way to Varsha, the official residence of the Maharashtra Chief Minister. And waiting there was the caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, who finally, after 3 days of being very, very unwell, decided to meet with Devendra Fadnavis. Is there a final thaw in the tension that was underlying the Mahayuti government formation? Have there been some give and take? Has some promises been made to Eknath Shinde? Something has happened, and what we can expect tomorrow is that Devendra Fadnavis, along with Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde, will approach the governor stake claim. Day after, the 5th of December, is the big swearing in. So what is it really that has gone down? Have some promises been made to Eknath Shinde? And what are those promises? We'll find out. But intense negotiations have been on. The Eknath Shinde faction has been very clear that they wanted a respectable post. What really is a respectable post, and has that been delivered somewhere down the line? Because the sticking point wasn't clearly being the chief minister, it was important ministries as well, and the post of the speaker. How much of that has been delivered to Eknath Shinde? Meanwhile, the NCP viewers has also been used, Ajit Pawar, to apply pressure on Eknath Shinde. However, all of that now falling together, the Mahayuti gearing up to form the next government in Maharashtra, with the swearing-in ceremony scheduled for the 5th of December. Devendra Fadnavis now finally, we've said it so many times over, so say it once again, poised. All indications suggest he is going to be the chief minister. India Today has accessed exclusive details on the power-sharing formula. Take a look at this report.
Mahayuti gets ready to form the next government in Maharashtra. Devendra Fadnavis is all set to return as chief minister. While hectic parleys continue ahead of the swearing-in ceremony on the 5th of December, India Today has accessed exclusive details of the power-sharing formula that's in the works. To start with, sources say only Devendra Fadnavis from the BJP, Eknath Shinde from the Shiv Sena, and Ajit Pawar from the NCP will be sworn in on the 5th of December. While the BJP may get around 22 ministerial berths, sources say the BJP is likely to retain Home, Revenue, Speaker's post and the post of the Legislative Council chairperson. Shiv Sena may get the Deputy Chief Minister's post. Against the 16 berths that Sena has demanded, they are likely to get 12. Sources also say Ajit Pawar's NCP is likely to get 10 berths in total and the control of the finance department. Meanwhile, the caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde visited a hospital in Thane for a medical checkup on Tuesday. Shinde has not attended any meeting since he went to his village last week. He had cited ill health to skip the meetings, but now insists he's fine and all's good. Meanwhile, top Shiv Sena leaders met at Devendra Fadnavis' residence to discuss the oath-taking ceremony plans. BJP observers from Maharashtra, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani will be a part of the key BJP meet on the 4th of December that will formally announce the chief ministerial pick.
कल सुबह 11 बजे हमारे सभी विधायक दल की बैठक है और वहाँ हम लोग चर्चा विचारणा करेंगे और उसके बाद सर्वसम्मति से नेता की चुनाव होगी और उसका नाम हाईकमांड को बताएंगे, फिर घोषित करेंगे.
There is, however, a power struggle within the Mahayuti. The NCP has claimed it is now party number 2 in the alliance after the BJP.
त्याला स्ट्राईक रेट आपण म्हणतो त्याच्यामध्ये बीजेपी 1 नंबरला आहे आमच्यामध्ये आणि 2 नंबरला अर्थातच अजित पवार गट आहे आणि 3 नंबरला शिंदे साहेबांचा गट आहे. थोडासा फरक आहे 2 नंबर 3 नंबरमध्ये. तर आमच्या म्हणणं असं की असं आहे की आमचा पण स्ट्राईक रेट चांगला आहे तर तुम्ही त्यांच्या एवढीच आम्हाला पण जागा द्या.
The 3/4 landslide it has won means that the Mahayuti has many aspirants for cabinet berths. The challenge for the BJP-led Mahayuti is to manage expectations of the allies and its own leaders. With Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.